How to make AI videos in Canva. If you've ever wanted to create videos without complex editing software, then this tutorial is exactly what you need. In 2026, tools like Canva have made AI video creation incredibly simple, even for complex beginners. In this step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to create AI-powered videos inside Canva, from generating visuals and scripts to adding animations, voiceovers, and exporting your final video. Then everything will be covered. By the end, you will be able to create clean, professional looking videos for YouTube, social media, or any content platform. Start by opening Canva and logging into your account. Once you're in the account, you can simply click on Create, or on the home page, you're simply going to see options for creating an AI video. Or you can simply go over to the home page and even search for video. And then you can select the format that matches your goal. For example, if you want a video collage that is square, then we can simply click on it. You can use a landscape for YouTube, and then you can further go ahead and use vertical for TikTok or your reels. Now this sets up your canvas correctly from the very start. So we are going to go for a landscape video for our YouTube channel, and let's begin. Now before you design anything, you need content. Inside Canva, you can use AI tools like Magic to write and generate video ideas, scripts, and caption. When we have this generate option, we simply type in what we're looking for. For example, if we simply type in generate a short script for motivational video and click on generate, then the AI is going to perform its work for us. Now to access this, simply go over to your text and then open the Magic Write. Now type in the prompt to generate a short script for motivational video. Simply click on generate, wait a few moments, and the Magic Write is going to provide you with a proper script. This gives you a starting point instantly. You can edit and refine the script based on your style. Now, videos in Canva are built using pages or scenes. We can simply insert this entire script in the video, and for this script to be added in, you can add in multiple pages for different sections like intro, main content, and just an outro. You can enter this exact text and simply expand its duration for as long as you want. And then you can simply just go ahead and adjust the text or the script that you are provided with, and once that is done, you can simply adjust it into 3 main sections as the intro, the main part, and the outro. This helps you structure your video clearly. You can also ask Canva to directly turn the entire script into an image and just get visuals and paste it in here. Now Canva allows you to generate images using AI or to choose from its library. You can describe what you want and Canva will create visuals for you directly. You can also simply go over to elements and then scroll over to photos. Now you can go ahead and search for a stock image or simply type in and click on generate. For example, let's say we have a postcard that we need. Now we have a bunch of options for different kinds of postcards. You can also click on generate and it is going to generate a postcard image for you. Now this saves time compared to searching manually. You can also describe exactly what you want and Canva will create visuals for you. Now text is important for making your video engaging. You can add headings, captions, or key points on each of these scenes. And once you do, you can simply even keep the text short and readable and edit it with fonts, layouts, and just all the cool effects you get. Just avoid overcrowding your entire screen. Now, static designs can feel a little too boring. So you can use animations. Inside Canva, you can animate text, images, and entire scenes. When you add in a text or any element, you can always go ahead and animate it. Select it and then the editing options show at the top. So we can simply even add in an old TV kind of effect within our video, or a whip slide kind of effect, or a shake zoom. We can go ahead and add an old TV, and even with the text you can go ahead and add in all of these animations. So now when we simply click on play and see how this is going, then this is the video looking so far. Just don't overuse these effects, keep it clean and smooth. Now, one of the most powerful features is adding voiceovers. You can either record your own voice or use AI generated voices. Canva allows a text to speech where you paste your script and generate the audio. This is perfect if you don't want to create or record manually. Just make sure the voice matches your content style, and that is it. Now, making music adds emotion to your video. Now, music adds emotion to your video, and inside Canva, you can choose from a library of tracks. If you simply go over to your file library, adding in audios or anything else, you can also do that. You can also add in stock videos or any other uploads if you like. You can pick something that matches your video tone and then lower the volume so it doesn't overpower the actual voiceover. Now, each scene should have a proper timing, and we need to make sure that the transitions between scenes are flowy and smooth. And these simple transitions work best for most videos, so stick to that, and that is my best advice to you. Now, before exporting, preview your video. You can check if the timing is correct, and the preview option is usually there at the very top. So once you click on it, you get the entire preview of the video and you get a look beforehand on how it's looking like. You can also check the text readability, the audio balance, and visual flow. You can make adjustments if needed, and this step ensures your final video looks super polished. And once everything looks good, export your video, choose high quality for best results. And you can either simply just share this to people, share this to your clients, or directly post it up on social media. You get the download option, and when you get the download option, you can download this in different versions, and you get the suggested options like the MP4 video. Now simply save it and upload it to your platform after downloading. Now to stay consistent, it's best if you follow this process. First is the generating the script option, and then adding in scenes and inserting visuals. Then you can add in text and then apply animations, add voiceover or music, and export it. This keeps your workflow fast and repeatable. Here are some common mistakes that you need to avoid, especially as a beginner. First is adding too much animations, text, or just too many effects. Using too many animations is also always a bad option, and ignoring the audio quality. If the audio quality isn't as great, then your video is going to look unprofessional and lose its importance. Making scenes too short is also a bad habit, so it's best to actually stick to all of these and avoid doing these. Keep your video clean and easy to follow. Now here are some final tips to improve faster. Keep your videos simple and focus on clarity, use consistent styles, and that is how the more you use Canva, the better your videos will become. And that is your complete beginner-friendly guide on how to create AI videos in Canva. If you found this helpful, then make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.